Okay, so we are going to be layering clip art in Microsoft Word today, and I'm making this video so I can show anybody who is trying to use one of our interactive clip art stories how to get the most out of the experience and not get frustrated with it, because sometimes working with Word it can be a little bit squirrely, but you just got to know what you're doing. So I'll show you right here. So we're going to open a blank document and we're going to go up to layout and we're going to set our margins custom to 0. I've already done that, but I'll show you here. So there's 0, and that's just going to help the image fill the whole page. And then I like to put the cursor in the middle of the page and set it for center, because that just makes sure that our images are going to appear on the center of the screen, and it's just going to make your life a whole lot easier. Okay, so now we're going to pick a scenery, and we just click and drag over from our zip file. And here we go. You see what I mean? It appeared on the second page down, but it's fine. So we'll just work with it there. So I've gone and I've right-clicked. I've gone to wrap text and click type, and then I've right-clicked again. I've gone to wrap text, and we've moved it with the text, and that just allows you to move the image all over the screen. So now I'm just filling the page, and that's our background. Okay, let's add our first element. And I'm just going down to the next blank page, and I'm making sure my cursor is down there. And let's get a mushroom. Well, maybe I didn't click him right. Let's try that again. Mushroom. And he should be, there he is. Okay, so we're going to make this guy stackable. So we're going to right click and we're going to go to wrap text, and we're going to go to tight, and then we're going to right click, go to wrap text, move with text. All right, and then we can make him a little bit smaller. He doesn't need to be too big. Okay, we'll bring him up and position him wherever you want. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to do the same thing for all the other images you want to use. So we just click down here, make sure you click down in the center so your images don't appear everywhere, because they'll push each other around if you don't edit their wrap text correctly. Okay, so we chose which. We're going to right click, wrap the text to tight, and then we're going to wrap the text, move with text, and she's ready to bring up. There we go. All right, next one. Let's see here. Let's pick Bramble. I love Bramble. Okay, Bramble is going to appear down there. We can right click on him, wrap the text to tight. And wrapping the text to tight, that just means that the text elements in the document will be able to wrap very closely to the image, more closely than if you picked any of the other ones. Okay, so let's get our last element here. We'll do one more. The horse. I haven't done the horse. Okay, Huntsman's horse. Oh, let's make sure we're down here at the right spot to put the image into the file. Okay. Let's bring the horse. Click and drag. Right. That looked like it happened fine. We'll wrap the text to tight. And we'll wrap the text. Move with text. And then finally we can bring our Huntsman's horse up here. And he's come down the path. That is layering clip art in Microsoft Word. I hope this was super useful, and I hope you get the most out of your experience with my interactive stories. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.